Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix your presentation is not in a full screen when you use or you present in Google Meet. So all you have to do now, you can start Google Meet from your desktop. This is for practicing. So you can click a new meeting. So you can create or start an instant meeting. Remember, this is the practice, so you can try more than once for the perfect result. So here there's a present now. Like as usual, you can click this to present or share your screen, and click to window. Usually you use this to present, but right now you can use this entire screen instead. So you can click share, then just go back to your presentation with full screen. So here we go. Now you can present with a full screen in Google Meet. So if you think this is done, you can click stop sharing. As you can see, there is an like a bar here, option bar, to stop your screen share. Or this is the pause button. Just click stop sharing and done. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.